Okay, so today we're going to talk about ducting your shaping machine. There's two options I'll cover today, the flexible duct and the rigid duct. And the flexible duct is much easier to install. It bends and moves to wherever you want. The downside to this is that it usually does not have a good seal between the end of the flexible part and the adapter, so you could get some drippage. And the other thing with the flexible duct is with all these grooves, it will tend to accumulate the oil as it goes from mist to back to a liquid. In this example, we're going to go ahead and we'll just put the hose clamp on the flexible duct. We'll slide the flexible duct in place, and then we will simply secure the flexible duct. And you want to make sure this is tight, because as the mist hits the sides of the ductwork, it turns back into a liquid, and you don't want a lot of gunk coming up at the back of your machine. I like the rigid option better. There's also different types of plastics that you can use. Now we're going to pretend that this part of the rigid pipe actually goes to an oil mist system, and you would put a hose clamp on place and you would slide this pipe into place, which normally is not this difficult, and then you would hose clamp it in place. I want to talk a little bit about how I would connect oil mist filtration system to the exhaust port on the back. Normally I would use the 4-inch flexible duct to go up to my rigid pipe that goes into my oil mist filtration. I would also recommend highly that you make sure that your motor is rated for oil mists, and I would also highly recommend that you check local ordinances. A lot of places do not want you to just exhaust this out into the atmosphere. Again, check your local ordinances on this. It's a great option. I run 7 saws throughout the day, and those saws generate a decent amount of mist, and putting in this oil mist filtration system, not only on the shaping machine but on the saws, will create a cleaner workshop and a healthier workshop, and hopefully a healthier me. I hope this answers any questions you have about an oil mist filtration and how it integrates into the exhaust port on the shaping machine. Thanks for watching.